Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. Now I am going to explain continuous series of observation. It is a continuation of previous video under the topic unit number 3 measures of central tendency. This unit will come under the subject quantitative analysis for business decision. In generally, we can say basic statistics. The subject from Bangalore University, second semester BCom and second semester BBA students. Now I am going to explain continuous series of observation. In this continuous series of observation, we can find out through the upper limit and lower limit or interval class type. So in this format, here you see this is the format. If we get, then we can say it is called as class interval. It is also can say it is a exclusive class interval. Okay, this is the one. From and to is there, then you can find out. So now we are going to find out your mean, median and mode. You first will find out mean. So the given information, first row will be written as class interval, second row will be written as frequency. So in this format will be written. Horizontal format will be continued and written in the vertical format. Then it is a class interval type, so we need to be find out midpoint. Midpoint we can find lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2, 55. 60 plus 70 divided by 2, 65. 70 plus 80 divided by 2, 75. Like that we can find out. Then we need to find out. It is here is a formula summation fx divided by n. Mean equal to summation fx divided by n. So multiple of f and x you need to be multiply. 12 into 15, 180. 25 into 25, 625. 55 into 35, 1925. 120 into 45, 5400. 60 into 55, 3300. 30 into 65, 1950. 15 into 75, 1125. So total of fx column will get 14,505. At the same time, frequency also we need to find out total. Total of frequency 12 plus 25 plus 55 plus 120 plus 60 plus 30 plus 15 will get 317. So the formula now we need to be used. Mean equal to summation fx divided by n. So 14,505 divided by 317. So 45.757. This is the mean value. In this way we can able to find out mean. Then come to median, how to find. Same problem I am taking. Same problem will be written in the form of vertical form. So we can write vertical form. So total already we added 12 plus 25 plus 55, 120 plus 60 plus 30 plus 15, 317. So here we need to find out. Whenever we need to find out in discrete and continuous series, we need to find out cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency? First frequency as it is, then getting value, next series, next frequency we need to be add. 12 plus 25, 37. 55 plus 37, 92. 120 plus 92, 212. 60 plus 212, 1272. 30 plus 272, 302. 15 plus 302, 317. So for total frequency and cumulative frequency total both are tallied. Then what we did is correct. Then median class. Median class equal to, here is a formula n by 2th term. Here n equal to 317 divided by 2. So we'll get 158.5 term. So where it lies? It lies between 92 and 2, 1, 2. This is the way we need to be find out. In that maximum value we need to be consider. In that maximum value we can put box that is called median class. Now median class interval you need to be find out. Median class equal to 40 to 50. Then we need to be apply formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. Then where L equal to lower limit of the median class n by 2 317 by 2 158.5 Cf in cumulative frequency column above the median class value. In cumulative frequency column above the median class value is called as Cf, cumulative frequency value. Frequency is frequency of the median class. I, size or difference of the median class. Here f equal to 120, I equal to 10. So we can substitute 40 plus 158.5 minus 92 divided by 120 into 10. So simplify 158.5 minus 92 divided by 120. Simplify 66.5 divided by 120 into 10. 66.5 divided by 120 will get 0.5541 into 10. If you multiply, that will get 5.541. Added with 40, we will get 45.541. So in this way we can able to find out median. So next we are going to find out mode. Mode how to find. It is a continuous class interval type. Continuous series of observation type. So we will be written as it is in the vertical form. In that maximum value in frequency we will consider as f1. Previous frequency of maximum class interval. Here maximum class interval of frequency is called as modal class. Maximum frequency what it is there for that class interval is called as modal class. Previous frequency is called as f0. Next frequency is called as f2 as per here is mentioned. Then formula equal to modal class equal to 40 to 50. Maximum frequency. How you get it? Maximum frequency is 120. For that class interval is what is that? 40 to 50. Then formula is L plus f1 minus f0 divided by twice of f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I, where L equal to 40, f1 equal to 120, f0 equal to 55, f2 equal to 60, I equal to difference between upper limit and lower limit of the model class 10. So we can find out in this format. Then we can substitute 120 minus 55 65, 2 into 120 240. So we can simplify 65 divided by 125 will come into 10. Simplify that 0.52 into 10 5.2. So plus 40 will get 45.2. This is called continuous series of observation. Here ends continuous series of observation problem explanation. Next video will continue with the next type of continuous class interval. Thank you. All the best for your future.